Maori ora whānau. Te umuariki tēnei, kei te Aoitepö, ki Aotearoa. Hui! We're on our second set of KUPU HOU for tonight. So on our Tāne Mahuta book. So we're on our next lot, another 12 KUPU HOU. So gather around, whakarongo, titiro, and kōrero mai, Kiimai, Kiimai Māori. When you see the picture, then what's that come into your mind? Then see if you can put it into te reo. Ka pai. Many other words too, or dialectual differences, but let's just share what we can here and make it your own. Cool. First one out. Looks like breakfast. Kai o te ata. Parakuihi. Parawa paki. Tohi. Patangawari. Patangawari. Panipango. Panireka. Panireka. Ho mai te panireka. Cut it out. Miraka. Waiu. Halftime. Lunchtime. Rānui. Hanuiti. Parawa pūrua. Kopaki kiko. Pai. Don't get many of these at my place. Leftovers. Toinga kai. Miraka tepe. Waiu tepe. Ooh. Maramara riwai. Maramara taewa. Ka pai whānau, that's our KUPU HOU to add to our vocab list. Don't forget, if you can get yourself a set of white cards, 48 in total, and try and draw these on the card and see how good your drawing skills are. Well, I'd like to see you draw a blue banana and show the kids, what's this? Yeah. So make it clear, or you could cut some pictures out of a magazine and stick it on as part of your mihi. But they'll really help you manifest the thought in your mind, and then to picturize it and clear and concise. Then when you've done that, write it out and write it into a notebook. Yeah, Māori down one side, or English down one side, Māori on the other side. So you look at English and then fold it over and then say, oh, butter. Papa, oh, ka pai. So moving on. Now see if you can draw this. There's a blank page. So take a blank page and see if you can draw a whakatauki, and I think that's what the objective is here, is to draw clear, concise pictures. But what about this whakatauki today? It says, he kōtuku, rerenga tahi. He kōtuku, the heron, rerenga tahi, solitary flight. I think it's in relation to the bird and its habit, and it makes a like its maiden flight, and it's rare flight. Rerenga tahi, just one flight. From what I recall, I don't know who and where exactly it was said, but I think it was on one of the Queen's visits to Aotearoa. Part of the whai kōrero would have been to mihi to her and to say, he kōtuku, rerenga tahi. and it signifies a rare occasion where the Queen might have visited here, or it signifies rare moments or occasions. So it's up to you. It's all in the eye of the beholder, the ear of the listener, the reo or the tongue of the orator. But what does that look like to you? See if you can draw it. Okay? He kotuku, re ringatahi. Ka pai. Time's moving on. Time for a quick song, okay? Just a quick one. Etu kahikatea. Stand up there, oh beautiful tree. Stand tall. Etu kahikatea. Hei whakapai ururoa. They talk about the shark, the mako shark, but for me, I think it's like the other ururoa could be. It's a grove of trees. So stand up there, and then stand amongst your peers. Api mai, api atu. Tātou e. And so stand in the forest of mankind, and when the wind blows, we'll all blow together. My little story goes that they used to use the kahikatea tree because it was tall and strong, but it was also flexible, and they could use it for a mast on ships. That's how my mum came out here on the Endeavour. And so what it is so to stand tall, each person, and stand along your peers, hei whakapai ururoa, and help each other, so when the bad times come or the storm, we all blow together. That's me anyway, whānau. Just make it up as you go, but have a look at the reo and let it talk to you. Etu kahikatea, hei whakapai ururoa, api mai, api atu, tātou e. Etu kahikatea, hei whakapai ururoa, api mai, api atu, tātou e. Hey, I told you fellas to keep it short, but I'm sorry about it. Here's our kāri. Oh, here's our kāri. There's week 1. I know it's upside down. And here's our book. And here's next week. But keep drawing those pictures. And whakahua te kupu, the image. Then whakahua te, the written word. And then whakahua mātō reo. Māori ora whānau, take care. And catch you all soon. See you on the rebound. Māori ora.